Hey guys, welcome back. DripCoach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. Today we're diving into that 10x, 20x, 30x token I talked about right here on the previous video. That was the OKB token. So I'm actually going to be going through the steps of how to purchase it and how to use the bridges to get on to it, because many of you may not be familiar. But the OKB token has been around for quite some time. And as I mentioned in that video, most of the tokens are owned by the exchange. So they will have to partner up with other DEXs and things of that nature. Again, I don't know if that means they do OT over-the-counter drills, deals, sorry, not drills, or if they give it to it for free as a marketing thing. I don't know. But the point being is that those tokens have to move, and that's going to cause some buy pressure on the token, as well as create more utility for it. And to me, these $40 to $50 prices are a great range, especially looking at the fact that when BTC hit that all-time high earlier this year, we hit 72. So I see this as being an easy 2x, 3x with very little risk. It's one of the safer bets in my opinion. Yeah, BNB I know can do some serious moves, but it takes more volume to move that token. The market cap on this is 3 billion, whereas when we look at BNB, it's 100 billion. So it's 33 times bigger on BNB. And when we look at exchanges, OKX is still number three, sorry, but they have more trading volume than Coinbase, and I believe, yeah, they have more weekly visits because they have a greater market that they can tap into. So to me, it's just kind of a no-brainer to purchase the OKX token. Like, I don't see it doing anything negative this cycle. I haven't seen any FUD or anything around OKX in the media. Why? Because they don't operate in the US. So they don't have to worry about the US and the SEC and all the crap that Binance went through. So Binance did all that and still got to 100 billion total market cap, and OKX is just saying screw the US and operating in all the other locations around the world. So, and I just noticed that they support more currencies than Binance. That's interesting. So anyway, you're going to want to bridge and get over there. So there are 3 different bridges to use. I used Al2 before, but Al2 has a restriction on the amount you can transfer. So you see it says 1 to 300. So you can only do 300 max. Try to do 5, it gives me a red error, says max is 300. So you got a small amount. Al2 is great, and they charge a pretty small fee. I think it's like $1 and some change, something like that. I'm looking also at RhinoFi. Their fee is about $1.70, and you have app.xy.finance, and their bridge fee looks like about 65. So I will never use app.xy finance or Rhino. So let me do something here. So I'm going to save the extra dollar and go with app.xy.finance. So show you how this works. Come to restart this. Come to their homepage. You have the transfer option up here. Make sure the network is on the one in which you have the assets. So B. Then I'm going to go from BNB to USDT to USDT on XLayer. And that actually goes straight into OKB. Is that right? Never done this because I was going to show the steps to actually purchase it on OKX, but this looks like it would do it all itself. And if that's the case, might save. So let's look at the swaps here. We got USDT, then it goes to ETH on Binance, then from ETH to wrapped ETH on OKX. Then we're getting the OKX token. So there could be some impermanent loss in the ETH price. Not really impermanent loss, but literally the price could change dramatically. Could change in my favor. The ETH is very volatile. But this one uses USDT to USDT, then to OKX. I like that better. That would give me 20.4878. Let's see how many I would actually be able to purchase. So we'll come over to OKX and look at their stats on layer, and look at I think it was QuickSwap I used before. So let's see what QuickSwap would charge me for USDT and what I would be able to get. How much OKB would I get? That way, I pick the best route. So we're gonna be swapping USDT and OKB, and if we had $1,000, what would that get? Could be really close. So 20.59 versus 20.48. So they're going with Rebel Swap. So I think I will go the manual route. They also charge a fee. So even though they charge a fee, I still get a little bit more OKB. 48.56. I don't know what they're charging here. Yeah, I'll just show you guys the long route in case you don't use app.xy.finance. Let's this and just transfer from USDT straight back into USD. That way you can also dollar cost average into OKB if you wanted to. I'll just be buying it in one swoop, but so yes, like the price. Click on that one, view route, approve the USDT token on my ledger. Unlock my ledger. All right, that was approved. So we've done the first authorization signing of the contract. So the quote has changed. That before we do the transfer, got to get the updated quote. So now this is the actual change: 1,000 USDT on Binance to 999 USDT. $0.05. Seems like a no-brainer. Confirm. It says it'll take 4 to 5 minutes. It's already gone through step 1 and 2, and it's been just about 1 minute. So I'll have to wait for this to confirm. No link to the. Can't click on this yet. This is the transaction on PSC scan. I'll follow this rabbit hole, but on my transaction. So yeah, we'll just wait. All right, it says transfer succeeded. And this will be the confirmation, but the easiest way for me to confirm is to come over here and boom, it already updated $99.34. I had 0, now I have that confirmation. So I can swap that for the 2059. I gotta change that because that's insufficient. And make this swap here. So 20.57. That's perfectly fine for me. I'm gonna buy it all now. And like I told you guys before, I'll be doing probably a couple more transactions for this because I do believe, like, not financial advice, of course, but the narrative for this just makes sense that this could definitely see at least a 2x because everybody is expecting BTC to get like a solid 2x from its fair market price, which is 50K to 100K. And we already saw on this that there was already a 1.5 on the cards for this token. It was sitting at $75 almost earlier this cycle. So I just don't see why I would not try to capitalize on I'm big on BNB and OKX, or I'm sorry, the OKB token. Even though right now there's not a lot of marketing hype and everything on that, I'm just assuming that it will come this cycle, and they kind of timed it accordingly to launch their X layer in line with the bull market. And I don't really know much about their marketing, to be honest. I don't watch any like Cambodian news or anything like that to see, but I would have to imagine, based off of their volume, that they are clearly marketing to an audience out here because they've grown. So I'm going to assume that they're going to be continuing to do that, and people will be onboarded onto the OKX platform, and then by extension onto X layer. Did this finish? Yep, there we go, 41. So that is my kind of gamble play, I guess, this cycle. And if you're looking for that bridge that I used, you can come back here to explore X layer dApps and then hit the bridge. Like I said, OWL2 is great. They're just limited. Rhino didn't look like it had issue, just charged 70 cents more, not a big deal. I used XY, and as you saw, it went through flawlessly. XY Finance, app.xy.finance. So the what do you call it? The dApps are available. Everything is out here. The only issue right now is that there's really no place to stake your OKB and earn a decent amount. So there are liquidity pools here. Let's see, I'll show you the percentages, but they're not appetizing. I believe once more hype comes onto the chain, then we will see maybe some more attractive prices. Not what I want. Oh yeah, I guess that is it. It just it's not showing it. So this is what you would get: 0.184 fees liquidity in that asset. So there's just nobody's here yet, which is a great opportunity. Like if you were to, get onto a platform and create a position, but the way you make money is through the actual trading and the fees, pairs, things of that nature. So gotta be liquidity there. This one has 101,000, 16%. Bad. OKB wrap has zero or $1,200. So there is definitely opportunity here on some of these dApps, and there's just not a lot of hype here. Nobody's here yet. That's the issue, and that's why we're waiting on FlopX to see, because that's coming with its own community, whereas I think all these other ones may not have a community with it, and instead they're going to be relying on the actual marketing of OKX exchange. So either way, even if I'm not staking it right now, I feel like I'm buying it at relatively good prices. So definitely the goal for me with this is to just accumulate it and then sell at the highs in this cycle for the next 12 to 14 months. So I would like to earn some yield off of it, but if I don't, I'm not really worried. So I'm gonna buy some more in another video. Well, not another video, just behind the scenes, recording videos and doing this over and over. But that's just my play. I told you guys in this video about it. Just putting my money where my mouth is, and we will see how it plays out. All right, smash that HBO special, help brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below. Till next time, live daily and achieve your impossible.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? SPRITZ Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.